everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummy. So today we're going to learn about the verb want, and it is querer in Spanish. So let's see it in. Alright, so the verb want is querer in Spanish. So let's see its conjugation. So conjugation is the transformation of verb, right? When we speak it in different tenses. So we're learning about the present tense at the moment. So these are the present conjugation of want. Let's see. So I want in Spanish is yo quiero. Yo quiero. You want is tú quieres. Tú quieres. He, she, and you want is él, ella, usted quiere. He want, él quiere. He wants, she wants, ella quiere, and you want, usted quiere. So these three of them have the same conjugation. We want. Nosotros queremos. You all want. Vosotros queréis. Vosotros queréis. They and you all want. This you all is formal, and you say ellos or ustedes quieren. Okay? Now you may be thinking why it's like this. Here is this I want in English, right? Which is want. But why there is so much changes, like, right? It should be like this: querer, querer, querer. The thing is that these are conjugations, okay? And in Spanish there is a lot of conjugations. So though it's easy, what we normally do is we always replace the er with something. So these terminations you can see, these are the thing we replaced it with. So whatever the er verb you find, you're going to replace it with these endings. So these are some rule that you will have to know, alright? And you can check it out the previous lessons to understand this pretty well. Alright, now some of you may be thinking like, why it's here is querer, right? And I told you that you need to change the er end and you need to put oes. Okay, that's fine. But what about this? Why it is changing in the middle? Like it's quer, right? Er, but it's quie. So this I has been added, right? It's extra here. All are same, but I everywhere it's extra. Why it is? You may be thinking, right? It's because this we have, Spanish verb, we have regular verb and we have irregular verb. Regular verbs are the one that are exactly the same. We just change the ending, alright, but irregular verb, they can change in their form while, in different conjugations they are irregular verbs. So want also is one of the irregular verb, partially irregular verb, so its form is changing. So what happening is, right here, the e over here, it's changing into ie over here. Okay, qu, same, ie, it's extra here also, ie. All right, so that is it. And now this is something that you will have to, you can note it down, you can remember them, you can mark it up. Okay, and once you keep using it, you'll remember it. It's easy. Now while in we it's same, okay, vosotros it's same, so it's something you need to it's same like the original form, just this is changing, so you need to just look at it, observe it, right, and you need to remember. Now let's just compare it with the regular verb. Now this regular verb is exactly same, it doesn't changes in its form, except this er is changed, because that's how we make it in present, right? So I run, it's a yo corro, right? See, it's same, correr, corro, nothing is changing in the middle. You run, corres, right? Corre, corremos, corréis, corren, they all are same. See, unlike in want, it was changing even in the middle, right? Quiere. So that is it. So you don't need to worry, because this kind of verbs are very less. Most of them are the regular verbs which do not changes. Just you need to remember this ending form, and that's it. All right, so let's go ahead. So now we're going to learn how to bring this verb want into an action. Alright, so here's the rule that says want to and verb. So when we make a sentence, we always say, I want to dance, I want to drink. So in Spanish it becomes querer and infinitive. Infinitive is the second verb. Alright, so it means that in Spanish you don't need to put to, it is automatically added. You just put querer verb and the second verb. Okay, and one more thing, in Spanish we don't conjugate the second verb, only the first verb is conjugated. Okay, so the unconjugated form of the verb is called infinitive. Alright, let's go to action. So as I have said, we don't have to add to between want and verb. Alright, so like if you want to say, I want to visit Nepal, then you say, yo quiero visitar Nepal. Yo quiero visitar Nepal. See here, we don't put to, right? It's automatically added. Okay? And the second verb, we put it as it is, visitar, right? Always the original verb, original form of the verb always end with ar, er, or ir, right? So it's visitar, for visit. She wants to buy milk. Ella quiere comprar leche. Ella quiere comprar leche, and there is no to. We don't need to add it. It's automatically added. Okay? Perfect. Now let's go ahead. So here we've got some more sentence. I want soup. You say yo quiero sopa. Yo quiero sopa. Alright. Do you want ice cream? ¿Tú quieres helado? ¿Tú quieres helado? He, see, you want bread. Alright. For three of them you can say él, ella, usted quiere pan. So he wants bread, then you say él quiere pan. She wants bread, ella quiere pan. And you want bread, same. The formal one, usted. We want juice. We want juice, then you say nosotros queremos zumo. Nosotros queremos zumo. Do you all want fruit? ¿Vosotros queréis fruta? ¿Vosotros queréis fruta? They want vegetable. Ellos quieren verdura. Ellos quieren verdura. Alright? So that's the way how you you make the sentence in Spanish, right? Unlike in English, we just put want. There is no change except in he, see, we. There is he, see wants and you want, right? But else all are same. But in Spanish, querer, the original verb changes. Okay, so these are how it changes. You need to mug up. You need to remember this. Okay, it's very easy rule. You just add these terminations. When you speak about first person, you add o. Second person, you speak about, you add es. You remove the er and you add es. Third person, you replace with this highlighted red thing. All right, and that's it. And let's see further. So it says that in Spanish, pronoun is not necessary, right? So we don't need to put pronoun actually. Like here I put yo quiero, tú, él, ella, right? These are not necessary. You can omit them. Actually, in real communication, conversation, we don't put them usually, right? So I want to listen to music. Quiero escuchar música. Okay? Quiero escuchar música. Escuchar is listen, and second verb we don't conjugate. So I put as it is. Do you want to wash clothes? Then you say, ¿Quieres lavar ropa? ¿Quieres lavar ropa? Now this, here again, as I said, we don't need to add to. ¿Quieres is, do you want? See, it's highlighted, do you want? Lavar is like to wash. Okay, to is automatically added in lavar. Clothes, ropa. Perfect. He wants to go. Él quiere ir. Okay, él quiere ir. So here él is he. So in the third person, I most of the time I do put the pronoun because this quiere can mean three things, right? Quiere can mean either he want, she want, or you want, formal. So there are three options, right? Just to clarify who it is, I put él. Él is he, right? Perfect. We want to eat. Queremos comer, right? Queremos is we want, right? Highlighted. Comer is to eat. Perfect. Do you all want to fight? What is this? Do you all want to fight? I'm sorry. Do you all want to fight? ¿Queréis pelear? ¿Queréis pelear? Perfect. They want to see a movie. Ellos quieren ver una película. Ellos quieren ver una película. Alright? Perfect. Alright. So let's see in some real situation, like if someone asks me like, what do you want to do on birthday? What do you want to do on your birthday? Or maybe ask you. So how are you going to answer? My answer is this. I want to go out with friends. So quiero salir con amigos. Quiero salir con amigos. Quiero, I want. Okay. Salir is to go out. And con amigos. Amigos is friends. I want to eat cheesecake. Alright, so cheesecake is my favorite. So you say, quiero comer pastel de queso. Quiero, comer is eat. pastel de queso. Now, cheesecake, in Spanish we say cake of cheese. So pastel is cake, days of queso is cheese. Okay, cake of cheese. That's the way how they make it. So it becomes cheesecake. I want to see my Facebook, right? We all like, oh, it was my birthday, blah, 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 blah. Quiero ver mi Facebook. Quiero ver mi Facebook. ¿Vale? All right. I want to dance. I want to dance. Quiero bailar. Quiero bailar. I want to hug my mother. ¿Mm? Quiero abrazar a mi madre. Quiero abrazar is hug. A mi madre is my mother. And I put it's like two in Spanish, okay? So whenever you do an accent on a human being, you need to add there. It's kind of a rule which we will learn more in future. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something out of it.